How to make changes to curated reports. Curated reports are ready-made reports available in Analytics. If your account is on the estate or forest plan, you can make changes to it to suit your workflow. Here's how. Go to the Analytics tab. Click on the curated report on which you want to make changes. You'll be in viewing mode. Click on the button to go to editing mode. You can add filters to the report, add more metrics to the widgets, and more. Once you've made the changes, click on Apply. Click on the Save As option and provide a new name for the report. The curated report would now be available as a custom report. You can export, schedule, and make modifications to this report without any restrictions. And that is how you customize a curated report.